Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using many different languages. Like we have just covered up many of the projects using Java and Android, and I hope you understand that project. So in the previous video, we have just covered up an amazing Android project here, which was our first project. So today we are just working with Android here, and we will be just building an amazing project today using Android. So today we are just building an amazing mobile tab animation here. So I will be telling you that how we can just build this amazing mobile tab animation using Android from start. So I hope you'll be understanding this video, and if you understand this video and if you enjoy the project which we are building here in this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, the subscribe button, and after subscribing, the notification bell, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using these all amazing languages. So just now we'll be starting with our project here and seeing that how we will be just building this amazing mobile tab animation from start using these all languages and Android. So just now here, if I just show you today, so today I will be telling you that we will be just building an amazing mobile tab animation project here. So for building that project, I will be opening my folder here. So I will be now pressing open folder, and you can see this is our mobile tab animation folder which I have directly opened here. Then I will be moving to my main file. These are the images folder, so I will be not removing this. Directly I will be removing all the codes which is written down. So here I will be remove this. So these are the images URL we will be not removing, because if I remove, so this image URL will be not coming here. So here I will be now moving to my main file after this, and then you have to now remove that all the things from this main file. Move to the script file as well, and from here also I will be removing. Save it, move to this file, and then we have to now just move, and then we have to open this file in our default browser. So our default browser is Google Chrome, like you all know that. If I have opened my file, you can see only we are getting the images, nothing we are getting like anything like that. So I just put the images URL here, 4 images URL. You can also put that, but I have not erased this image URL because I will be needing and I will be using the same images. Only 4 images we are getting. You can also just make these 4 images URL like this normally. After making this, you have to now directly just create a nav tag here, right here ULLI, in which I will be now creating a class of nav. Then you have to now just move down and write here iTag class FAS home like this. Then you have to now just move down, create here p tag and create home like this. And after writing this, you have to now write here li iTag again, write here FAS box, then write here p tag and then write work. Then you have to now li tag iTag class FAS then I will be writing book open. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to now move down, create p tag, and then I will be writing blog. Then you have to move down right here li tag iTag FAS then I will be writing users. Then you have to move down and write here p tag, right here about us. So here I will be writing save it. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to create a close div here. So I will be now creating a close div. Then create a script tag. So here I will be now creating a script tag source script.js. Save it and reload. You can see we are getting nothing, only the nav things which we have just put. You can see these are the nav things which we have just put here. And after moving here, we have to now just style this thing here. So I will be now moving here, and then I will be writing a box sizing border box. Then you have to create here a body tag in this. Create background color should be like 22 means 22457. Then you have to write here font family, and in font family I will be writing open sans like this, and then write here comma sans serif like this. Then you have to write here display flaps. So here I will be writing, then write here align items should be center. Then write justify content. So here I will be now writing here in center as well. Then write here height 100 ph. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here margin should be 0. Then you have to now write here font. Then create position should be relative. Then you have to write here overflow should be hidden. Then after writing this, you have to now create border 3 pixel and write here solid triple E. Then you have to now just make this tag and write here border radius 15 pixel, write here height, and then write here 600 pixel, right width 340 pixel. Then you have to move down and create another tag here. So now here I will be creating dot tool, and then you have to write here dot content like this. Create opacity should be 0, and then you have to now just write here object fit. So here I will be writing object fit should be color. Then you have to now write here position absolute. So here I will be writing position absolute like this, and then write here top 0, and then write here left. So here I will be just writing left 0, write here height calc, and in calc I will be now just writing here 100%, minus 60 pixel. Then you have to now just move down, create width 100%, and then you have to write your transition should be opacity, and then I will be writing 0.4 as is. Then write here full, then I will be writing content show. Here you have to write opacity 1. So here I will be now writing opacity 1. Then you have to now write here left position absolute, and then you have to write here bottom 0, and then you have to now write here left 0. Then you have to now just write here margin top and write minus 5 pixel. So here I will be now writing minus 5 pixel. Right here width 100%, and then you have to now directly move down. After moving down, you have to now write here left UL like this. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here background color white, and then write here display flex. So here I will be now writing, then write here list style type, right here none. Then after writing this, you have to now directly write here padding should be 0, and write here margin 0, right here height should be 60 pixel. Then you have to write here nav li, and then write here color 6461A2. Then you have to now just write here cursor pointer, and then write here flex 1. Then you have to now write here padding should be 10 pixel. Then write here x align should be center. So here I will be writing. Then you have to create nav ul li. Then write here p tag, create font size 12 pixel, and then write here margin 2 pixel 0. Then you have to write here nav ul li. Then write here hour, create nav ul li, write here active. Then you have to now move down, and after moving down, you have to create color 22457. Then you have to save it here. Move to the main script file. So I will be moving here. Then I will be reloading till here. You can see we are getting all the things working, but when I'm pressing here, the next image is not coming. So for getting that, you have to write here const contents is equals to document dot query selector, and I will be now writing here dot content. Then you have to now just directly move here, and then I will be now just writing here query selector all like this. Then I will be now just moving and closing this tag. Right here const list items is equals to document dot query selector all like this, and then write here nav ulli. Then you have to close it. Then write here const hide all contents like this is equals to like this, and then make this tag. Write here contents for each. Then I will be making this. Write here content. Then you have to make this tag and write here content again dot class list. Here I will be writing dot remove, and I will be now just writing here show. After writing, you have to close it, close this tag as well, and then write here const hide. Then I will be writing all items is equals to, then I will be now writing here like this, right is equals to, then move down and then write here list items. So here I will be now writing here dot for each, and then I will be now making this tag and write here item. Here I will be now writing item class list and write here remove. Then you have to now directly write here active. Here I will be now just closing this tag and closing this as well, and write here list items, write here for each, and write here item, comma, write here index like this, and then you have to now just make this tag, and then after making this, you have to move down, write here item dot add event listener, and write here click, comma, make this tag here, and then you have to move down and create hide all context. So here I will be making this. Then you have to close it. Then after closing, you have to write here hide all items. Then you have to close this tag as well. Write here item dot class list. Then you have to now write here add. Then write here active. Then you have to close it. Write here contents like this dot, or directly you can write index dot class list and write here dot add. Write show. Then you have to now close it. Then directly like this. Save it here. Then you have to now directly reload. So if I show you, you can see now our images are working. When I'm just pressing any of the other tab, you can see our images are moving to the other tab. You can see this. So like this, you can just build this amazing mobile tab and navigation project. So I hope you understand how we can just create a mobile tab navigation project here when we are just using any of the, like when we are using Android. So I hope you understand this project here which we have just created of mobile tab navigation in Android from start. So if you understand this project here, and if you enjoy this project and enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like to this Android Studio video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project from start using these all amazing languages. So just tell me with you next project, more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.